So here we have the Mercedes-Benz A180 on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. And then in the center, you can see, firstly, the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information for various things. So, for example, there you can see the total miles for the car, which is 63,038. The buttons to go through that information are all here. Over on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. And in the center, the main screen itself, which includes, as you can see, satellite navigation. You can use the dial just here to control everything, or the buttons on the main unit. So for example, if I want the radio, I can press that button. We're then on the radio screen. I'm now using the dial to move my way around that screen. So for example, you can see we have radio, CD player, USB storage, and Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to our music. The CD player is just here, main volume for the stereo. You can answer and end phone calls once you paired your phone, and obviously hit the telephone button to pair your phone up. We have a heated driver's seat and passenger seat, both of which have 3 different heat settings on each. Our hazard warning lights, we can put the car into eco mode. Below that, we then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. It's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. We have a 12-volt charging socket and some storage. And there you can see the 6-speed manual gearbox. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork. So you can see there we have the V5 registration document, the key for the car, and plenty of service paperwork as well. Any car that we sell, if it requires a service or MOT within the 6-month period at the point at which we sell it, we will do those for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.